Tired of seeing credit card only during online checkout? Let's ditch that frustration because this video will show you exactly how to use your BDO debit card to pay online. First, make sure your BDO debit card is activated for online transactions. You can do this through the BDO online banking app or by calling their customer service hotline. This is super important, so don't skip this step. Now, head to the online store where you want to make a purchase and proceed to the checkout page. When you get to the payment section, select debit card or credit card as your payment method. BDO debit cards usually work under either option since they are affiliated with Visa or MasterCard. Carefully enter your 16-digit BDO debit card number in the corresponding field. Double check to make sure you've entered it correctly. One wrong digit and your payment will fail. Next, enter the expiry date printed on the front of your card, followed by the 3-digit CVV code located on the back. Again, accuracy is key here. After submitting your card details, you'll likely be redirected to a BDO 3D secure page or receive an OTP, a one-time password, via SMS on your registered mobile number. This is for added security. Quickly enter the OTP code in the required field on the website and click Submit or Verify. Don't take too long, as the OTP usually expires after a few minutes. If everything goes smoothly, you should see a confirmation page indicating that your payment was successful. You'll usually receive an email confirmation as well. For your peace of mind, check your BDO online banking app or statement to confirm that the transaction has been processed, and that's it. You've successfully used your BDO debit card for an online purchase. Now you can enjoy hassle-free online shopping with your BDO debit card. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.